What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Market Marauder Show. Hope everybody's having a great week this week. So it's the beginning of the week. Just going to go over a refresher of some of the penny stocks that are under $1. So let's jump into it. All right, so first on here we have ticker sign NAK, which I went over earlier this week. So if you haven't, make sure you go check out the recap for more in depth on this one. Just going to go over chart analysis for today. So NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals, we can see that they are still bearish. So moving average 10 today kind of struggled to try to get up above moving average 50, and it is still trailing. So overall, still bearish on the name. Definitely going to be looking at some more updates from them. I know they still have a case that they're trying to work out with one of their mines, and it's like a court battle going on. So definitely going to be looking for some more updates from them. Overall, though, they did go up just a little bit today, so it closed at 81 cents, then ended the day at 83 cents. But overall, going to be looking for them to try to break through this moving average 50 and 100, this moving average 10. VWAP is above moving average 10, though, so a positive metric on that. But it is going sideways, so going to be looking to see if VWAP can shoot up above moving average 100. Not going to know what catalyst that is to move that, but definitely going to keep my eyes out on NAK for the rest of the week. So next we have ticker sign AUMN for gold and minerals. So I think the whole gold industry and mining industry in general is going to be pretty good going into 2021. Definitely a lot of mining stocks I think are going to do really well. So that's just my projection for 2021. But this being a gold mining company, I think they're going to do good as well. So they ended the day at 83 cents. Then after hours went up to 86 cents. So pretty good metric for them. Look like they're starting to do a small breakout. Moving average 10 is still below 50 and 100, so still bearish on the name. But VWAP is above moving average 10 or at moving average 10, so slightly. But if we look at the chart right here, we can see they start to rally up a little bit, and then they end on this positive note, ending at 86 cents. So definitely going to keep a close eye on them for tomorrow to see if they'll go through and break through this 85-cent metric, which it seems like they already have. Then the next one's going to be breaking through this 90-cent metric. So they've already shown that they could break through this 85-cent metric, which is the moving average 50. They're going to see if they could break through this 90 metric right here, and then the next stop will probably be $1 in my personal opinion. So going to be keeping a close eye on ticker sign AUMN. Next, we have ticker sign GTE for Grand Tierra Energy. Now, this one is bearish as well. Moving average 10 is above moving average 50, so it's positive on that metric, but it's still below moving average 100. So on this purple line, it is below moving average 100. VWAP is below moving average 10, so negative on that indicator as well. So only positive on the indicator moving average 10 is above the moving average 50. So that's the only indicator that's positive. Moving average 100 is still below. Moving average 10 is still below moving average 100. So going to be looking for some more momentum from that. Also going to be looking for that VWAP to go back up as well. So it looks like they tried. They went up to 102, but then kind of went sideways after that. And it was kind of a convergence between the moving average 50 and 100. And then when it shot up to 102, kind of just went sideways after that. Ended the day at 96 cents though. Then it went up 1 cent to end at 97 cents for the day. So not too far from that 102 metric, but still going to be keeping a close eye on them for tomorrow. Next, we have ticker sign ACST for Acosti Pharma. They did end the day at 83 cents. Then after hours, still at 83 cents. Bearish on the name though. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10, but still a lot of bearish momentum on this one overall. Going to be looking to see if this one can rally for tomorrow to go back up to at least try to test this 96-cent level. Don't know if it could potentially get to it, but going to be looking to see how this performs tomorrow or if it'll just continue to go lower. And last on here, we have ticker sign SYN, which is bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive on that indicator as well, which made a note it may have some more upward momentum potential, but did end on a red note today at 82 cents after hours. Now the ones that are red on here, don't be discouraged if you see them that they are red. They still do have the potential to go up. Now bear in mind these are penny stocks and they are under $1. So any level of momentum could definitely help these shoot up tremendously, and they do move fast. So they move up fast and they move down fast. So just bear that in mind. Any level of volume that really spins up. It's kind of a snowball effect when it comes to these stocks that are, under $1. So just because you see it at 83 cents or 82 cents and it's in the red and it's bearish, it can shoot up tremendously in the morning. Kind of like a good example is kind of like this one did. So it shot up in the morning and went to this $1.02 level. So you never know on here. Different things, different articles, different catalysts help these things to move. Just make sure you just always checking in on these, especially if you like to get those deals for the ones that are under $1. All right, drop a comment down below. Tell me if there's some other stocks that you guys are watching for penny stocks under $1. I know you all like the series, so try to bring more of it. Try to give you more updates on the ones that I'm looking at, and try to give updates on the ones in general, since there aren't really that many stocks that are under $1. So hopefully you all are able to lock in some profits this week. Make sure that thumbs up helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.